Let's start with a simple question. What really determines success in the generic drug market? In highly competitive regions like the United States and Canada, it's not just about having the right molecule, it's about getting there first. In this presentation, we'll explore how CDMOs, contract development and manufacturing organizations, are helping pharmaceutical companies accelerate their journey from idea to market and ultimately win that race. So, what exactly is a CDMO? Think of it as a plug-and-play engine for pharmaceutical companies. Instead of building facilities, hiring teams, and setting up processes from scratch, companies partner with CDMOs that already have everything in place: validated infrastructure, experienced scientists, and manufacturing capabilities. In simple terms, the client brings the molecule, and the CDMO brings the engine that powers it to market. In the generics business, speed is everything. The first few companies to enter the market often capture 60 to 70% of the total market share. But that advantage doesn't last long. As more competitors enter, prices can drop by over 80% within just 2 years. On top of that, regulatory systems like the US ANDA and Canada's NOC reward early filers. So the message is clear: if you're not early, you're already behind. Now imagine trying to do everything in-house. You'd need 2 to 4 years just to build a facility, and another 1 to 2 years to hire and train staff. That's a massive delay before you even begin production. With a CDMO, that timeline shrinks dramatically. Because their facilities are already validated and compliant, companies can reduce development time by 30 to 50%. That time saved can be the difference between leading the market or missing the opportunity entirely. But speed alone isn't enough. You also need to get regulatory approval right the first time. CDMOs bring deep expertise in navigating complex requirements from both the US FDA and Health Canada. They support ANDA filings, design robust bioequivalence studies, and ensure strict cGMP compliance. This includes maintaining accurate batch records and preparing for inspections. All of this significantly reduces the risk of rejections, delays, or costly rework. Let's talk about cost. Building your own pharmaceutical manufacturing facility can easily exceed $100 million. That's a huge upfront investment with significant risk. CDMOs change this model completely. Instead of fixed costs, companies operate on a variable cost structure, paying only for what they use. This not only reduces financial burden, but also shares development risk, which is especially important for small and mid-sized pharma companies. Another major challenge is scaling up. A formulation that works in the lab doesn't always perform the same at industrial scale. CDMOs specialize in this transition. They manage tech transfer, optimize processes using advanced tools like design of experiments, and ensure consistent product quality across batches. Their high-throughput manufacturing capabilities also help meet aggressive launch timelines without compromising quality. Let's look at a real-world example. A startup, Nexa Pharma, partnered with a CDMO instead of building everything in-house. The result? They filed their ANDA 6 months ahead of schedule, secured 180-day exclusivity, and captured 65% of the market. In just the first year, they generated $90 million in revenue. This shows how the right partnership can completely transform market outcomes. So, what are the key takeaways? CDMOs help companies move faster by eliminating infrastructure delays. They provide expert guidance through complex regulatory pathways. They reduce costs and share development risks. And most importantly, they enable smooth scaling from research to commercial production. In today's competitive landscape, CDMOs are not just service providers, they are strategic enablers. Let's end with this thought. The winners in the generic drug market are not always the biggest companies. They are the ones who understand what to build internally and what to outsource strategically. Because in this race, success isn't just about having the right drug. It's about getting it to the market at exactly the right time.